Hi everybody, my name is Scott Walls. For over 25 years, I've deployed ERP applications for some of the world's largest organizations. During that time, I've taught thousands of people just like you how to discover, use, deploy, and support Oracle's back-office applications. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use Fusion's implementation project functionality. Implementation projects are used to define what functionality needs to be enabled or configured in order for a mix of applications being deployed to work. It should be set up specific to your deployment's BOM, or what they call Bill of Materials, the listing of your apps that are going to be deployed or have been purchased. It can also be used as a work plan and assign setup tasks to different users. Please note that this lesson is part of the Getting Started course found under the Oracle Cloud area of the Discover menus. But before we get started, did you know that you could earn free badges for display on your LinkedIn profile just by watching videos like this one? You can. Stay until the end of this video and I'll show you how. Okay, so let's get started. Key topics for this lesson are as follows. Open the navigation bar, go to Others, access Setup and Maintenance, open the Task panel, select Manage Implementation Projects, find or create an implementation project, and finally manage projects or assign tasks. Okay, step one, open the navigation menu. So in the upper left is the nav, three horizontal lines, also called the hamburger. Once you open that, the very last option is going to be Others. Either click the word Others or the down arrow on the right. Once you've opened or expanded that menu, select Setup and Maintenance. Once you come to this screen, which is the Setup and Maintenance screen, you'll want to open the Task panel on the right. Once that Task panel is open, select the first option, Manage Implementation Projects. Then you want to either find an existing project or create a new project. Once you've found your project, you can scroll through the different tasks and even assign tasks to other users. This is a good way to manage the tasks on your application setup. Okay, so you should now understand what an implementation project is, how to access implementation projects, and how to assign the tasks within an implementation project. So that's it for this presentation, but it doesn't have to be the end of your learning journey. There are thousands of free videos just like this one. Remember, better content, better skills, better income, better life. We want to help you get 1% better every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Okay, as promised, here are the 5 steps you can perform today to start earning free badges for your LinkedIn profile. Step 1, navigate to Panameer.com and either sign in or join now. It's free. Step 2, in the upper left, under the Discover menu, select the course that you want to watch and get badged for. Step 3, watch all of the different video lessons in that course. Step 4, when it's complete, send your LinkedIn profile and the course you watched and your user ID to badges@panameer.com. And then sit back and wait for step 5 when we attach a badge to your LinkedIn profile.